How to start an OFM agency. Step 1, find a model. Start by searching on Instagram using an OF related hashtag. No, don't use the really common ones. How many other people do you think are doing that? They're probably getting spammed, they're probably sick of it, and they're probably going to think you're a creep, which is fair. So search for like a really niche hashtag on Instagram. Less likely they've been snapped up and they've been spammed, and they're probably more likely to listen to what you have to say. Also, when you're outreaching, sending DMs, send a voice message. It piques curiosity. A model will see a voice message sitting in the inbox and go, that's interesting. I wonder what it says. Then when they open it, make sure you've said something sharp, short, and cool. Don't be a weirdo. Say something like, hey, I came across your profile while looking for potential models that I think we can work with. I run quite a large brand and I think that I can make you a lot more money with your OF. If you're interested, just reply to this and let me know. Otherwise, if you're not, no worries at all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers. And that's it. See all the other videos to see how to run a successful OFM agency.